sweetie.
Hi, Haru Didi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I was wondering how many siblings you have, but don't tell me. I want to guess that.
Okay.
So today I'm going to guess the number of siblings you have. Okay?
Okay.
Take the marker. I'm going to turn around, write brother at one side and sister at the other side. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Start writing.
Yes, I have done.
Now multiply the number of brothers you have with 2.
Yes, I have done.
Now add 3 to the result.
Yes.
Now multiply the result with 5.
Yes.
Now add the number of sisters you have to this result.
Yes.
Now lastly subtract 20 from the result.
Yes.
Now tell me the result.
The result is 5.
Okay, which means you have 1 brother and 0 sisters.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes, you are correct.
Can I turn back?
Yes, you can.
You want to learn this trick?
Yes, I want.
Okay, fine. Let me erase this. Suppose I have 3 brothers and 4 sisters.
Okay.
Now, first I'm going to multiply the number of brothers I have, which is 3 into 2,
Okay.
which is 6. Now I'm going to add 3 to this result. It is 9. Now I'm going to multiply this result with 5, 45.
Okay.
Now I'm going to add the number of sisters I have to this result. It is 49. Now I'm going to subtract 20 from this result. 49 minus 20, 29. Now the trick is to add 5 to the last result, which is 29 plus 5. 34. Now from this result, the first digit is the number of brothers you have, and the second digit is the number of sisters you have.
Okay.
Did you learn this trick?
Yes, it's an amazing trick.
Okay. Now can you guess the number of siblings your friends have?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So let's say bye to our viewers for today.
Yes, okay.
Bye.